Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure BitLocker drive encryption in Windows 11 step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, select System and Security. Next, look for BitLocker drive encryption and click on it. You will see a list of drives on your computer. Identify the drive you wish to encrypt. If BitLocker is not already turned on for that drive, click on Turn on BitLocker. A setup wizard will launch to guide you through the encryption process. You will be prompted to choose how you want to unlock the drive. You can select to use a password or a smart card. If you choose a password, make sure to create a strong one and remember it. After setting your unlock method, click Next. Next, you will be asked how you want to back up your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, a USB drive, a file, or print it out. Choose the method that suits you best and click Next. The wizard will then ask how much of your drive to encrypt. You can choose to encrypt the entire drive or just the used space. Select your preferred option and click Next. Now, you will choose the encryption mode. You can opt for new encryption mode for fixed drives or compatible mode for drives that you'll use with earlier versions of Windows. Select the appropriate mode and click Next. The final step involves reviewing your selections. Once satisfied, click Start Encrypting. The encryption process will now begin and can take some time depending on the size of the drive. You can monitor the progress in the BitLocker window. Once encryption is complete, you will see a confirmation message. You can now safely store your important data with an added layer of protection. To access your drive in the future, simply unlock it using your chosen method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.